Yep, not even gonna wipe this part off. But I went to the gym, let things dry. I'm gonna take off this paint, but I gotta let the orange paint dry still. Scott, can you not eat that? Thank you. But let's see all the places that I missed. So it's the next day, and it rained all night. So it should have dried perfectly fine. Let's get the rest of this off. There are some some paint runoff and stuff that I messed up on, but I'll probably just take a Sharpie or something and cover that up later. But now it's time for the last few key details. Well, it's pretty much done, but obviously we got to make an edit. If I'm not up in the student